Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about T1 carrier system. After the completion of today's session, you are able to define T1 carrier system and explain the operation of T1 carrier system. So a T1 carrier is a dedicated telephone connection or time division multiplexed digital transmission service that supports a data rate of 1.544 Mbps. Okay. A T1 line generally includes 24 separate channels, each of which is able to support 64 kbps. Every 64 kbps channel is often customized to transport voice or data traffic. The T1 carrier systems are totally digital and use time division multiplexing and pulse code modulation technique. T1 carrier system is the method that is conventionally used by the telephone companies for transmitting digitized telephone communication. T1 is fully digital. It eradicates the chance of crosstalk which is happen in analog carrier network. This physically includes two twisted pairs of copper wire. The pairs use a full duplex configuration in which one pair sends information while the other receives information. And nowadays this twisted pair replaced by coaxial cable and optical fiber cable also. There are two main framing standards used by a T1 carrier, that is D4 framing is the main framing standard. Another framing method used in T1 is the new extended super frame. There is no need to discuss about this framing standard because that is we have to only discuss about T1 carrier system. So this one is the basic diagram of T1 carrier system. So here we can see it accommodates 24 analog signals which are referred as S1 to S24. Each signal is band limited to approximately 3.3 kHz and it's sampled at the rate of 8 kHz. Here the sampling is done. Okay. Each of the time division multiplexed signal is next converted from analog to digital and compounded. Means first this 24 signals are passes through the low pass filter where it is band limited to 3.3 kHz signal. Then it is sampled at 8 kHz frequency. Then it converted from analog to digital here and we compress the signal. Then the resulting digital waveform is transmitted over a coaxial cable. These are the coaxial cable. The cable serving to minimize signal distortion and serving also to suppress signal distortion due to noises from external sources. Periodically at approximately 6,000 feet intervals, the signal is regenerated by repeaters. These are the repeaters and this gap is about 6,000 feet. Okay. So the repeater eliminates from each bit the effect of the distortion introduced by the channel. Also the repeater removes from each bit any superimposed noise and thus even having received a distorted and noisy signal, it retransmits a distortionless and noise-free signal which was originally sent. At the destination, the signal is again companded, means here it is compressed and again compander used here to expand the signal, and the PCM decoder decoded the signal and demultiplexed. Here it is demultiplexed, or we can say separated, and thus making available the 24 original signal individually after passing through this bandpass filter. So this is all about T1 carrier system. Thank you.